monster missile RS-28 Sarmat 200-ton ICBM that can fire hypersonic weapons enters serial production. The RS-28 Sarmat intercontinental ballistic missile, projected by Russia as the deadliest missile in the world, has now entered mass production. The RS-28 Sarmat is a Russian silo-based missile system armed with a heavy liquid propellant orbital intercontinental ballistic missile capable of carrying a nuclear warhead. Director General of the Makeyev State Missile Center, Vladimir Degtyar, said in a recent interview that serial production of the new R-28 Sarmat intercontinental ballistic missile has started in Russia. According to Degtyar, the R-28 Sarmat missile will enhance the combat capabilities of the Russian military over the next 40 to 50 years to ensure the country's security. He said these ICBMs would be the main means of nuclear deterrence and assurance to maintain peace in the current geopolitical environment. This announcement comes at a time when Russia is allegedly reeling through difficult times due to a shortage of missiles in its arsenal. With Ukraine having recaptured some of the territory captured by Moscow in the early weeks of the operation, there was a significant need to defend other areas to the south. The Sarmat's first test took place in April 2022, and a month later, in May, former Roscosmos chairman Dmitry Rogozin, a close aide to Russian President Vladimir Putin, stated that some 48 Satan II missiles were in mass production and would be launched soon. Combat service. The Sarmat RS-28 will replace the RS-20 Voivode, the most powerful strategic missile ever. Development of the RS-28 Sarmat began more than a decade ago, in 2011. The new missile will be able to penetrate enemy missile defense systems and have the ability to travel through the North and South Poles to deliver multiple re-entry vehicles to any location on Earth. The Sarmat missile system will join the Strategic Missile Forces after the completion of the test program. The head of the missile regiment in the Yuzor missile formation in the Krasnoyarsk territory is already preparing to be rearmed with this new missile system. The induction of this missile in service will further create anxiety in the West about Russia's nuclear scare. Russian state television simulated nuclear attacks on 3 European capitals, including Paris, Berlin, and London, stating that the Sarmat ICBM with nuclear warheads would destroy all 3 cities in less than 200 seconds. According to Russian media, the most dangerous missile on the planet, the RS-28 Sarmat, can deliver multiple independent targetable re-entry vehicle warheads weighing up to 10 tons to anywhere in the world. As per the information published during the Army 2019 exhibition, the Sarmat ICBM's range is 18,000 kilometers, and its launch displacement is over 200 tons, of which 178 tons is fuel. The missile is 3 meters in diameter and 35.5 meters in overall length. The missile is unique for its unrivaled speed range, unmatched precision and complete immunity when penetrating anti-defense systems, according to Russian state media. Sarmat missile. Moscow has previously released animated footage of the Sarmat missile. In the video, an intercontinental ballistic missile is seen being launched from a silo, followed by an illustration of the rocket hurtling into space. The ICBM then deploys its nose cone to reveal 5 nuclear warheads as it traverses the fictitious Earth in a high arc. The Sarmat can simultaneously carry 15 light nuclear warheads. One rocket can hit multiple targets at once because of how this warhead is set up as a multiple independently targeting re-entry vehicle. It has advanced guidance technology and may be decoyed to trick anti-missile defense systems. The new missile system's power-to-weight ratio makes the trajectory changeable, allowing the missile to be fired at multiple trajectories, according to Russian Strategic Missile Forces Commander Sergei Karakayev, who spoke with the Zvezda TV channel in previous interactions. In addition, alternative trajectories are also possible, such as the ability to send missiles into space. In fact, in April this year, days after the first test launch of the RS-28 Sarmat missile, Karakayev stated that the Russian Sarmat ICBM could be used with some of the Avangard hypersonic launch vehicles. Regarding the Sarmat, it is another missile system. It is based on the launcher, and much more powerful than the Avangard launcher. It has also been designed for Avangard.